Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the silver chart on 3rd of April. Then I'm going to show you the positions I made actually 2 days ago and see what happened there. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start now. As you can see, the metals like silver and gold has been moved up nicely, like something like 380 pips. You can see it there, silver. And also we did check, we did analyze the gold, and we saw that gold was also had a nice movement to the upside. But it is, while it is going strongly to the upside, we can have some nice sell positions if we see nice candles on these resistances, like this one, the one here, and second one is here, and the third one is here. If we see some nice candles on them, like a pin bar or a nice red candle, we can risk on them and go for a sell position. But in the 5-minute time frame, right now you can see we did have this trend line broken to the upside. We did have the chance to enter a buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer, and look for our risk reward too, which it gives us more than that. And you can see that right now the price is breaking out of to the upside of this candle, but we have to wait for the candle to be closed. Then we decide based on that, because it can be a pin bar, it can be a shadow in some seconds. Yeah, we can go for a sell position on this resistance here, or even here, if you see some nice candles there. Okay, thanks for watching this part. Let's switch to the part which I'm gonna show you the positions I made on 31st of March. Welcome back traders. As you can see here, we are on a silver chart, 5-minute time frame on 31st of March. It's actually hard to pronounce. And then we're gonna see the positions I made on this day, and you can see the positions and learn from them. Actually, how do I enter positions, how do I set my stop loss, and how do I exit? You can learn from them and trade in the live market and make money with them. Okay, as you can see in the first position, we did have this trend line with 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, we did have the chance to enter a sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.3. On the second position, we did have this trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it was broken here, we did have the chance to enter a buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer here, and it gave us something around risk reward 4. Actually, this trend line had 3 touches. It means you can actually risk on it with more safety, because the trend lines with 2 touches like this one is more risky than this one. The more touches on the trend line, the more you can trust on that and risk on that and enter positions. On the third position, we do have this trend line. Let me clean it that we can see better. We do have this trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. On the 7th time it was broken here. We did have the chance to enter a sell position, put our stop loss above the candles, and it gives us a reward of 2.3. And also we did have a support area here, which you can see it as your target of this sell position. On the trade 4, we did have this support area here. Okay, the price makes a nice candle on that, and we can risk on it and go for a buy position here. put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us something around risk reward 2 here. On the trade 5 we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. On the 5th time it was broken here, we did have the chance to enter a buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.2. On the last position we did have this trend line with 1, 2 touches. On the 3rd time it was broken here, we did have the chance to enter a sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 2.5. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.